Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's good to have you with us. Let's go ahead and get started by writing out our fives all the way up to 100. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and set my alarm for 30 seconds. Get your marker or your pencil ready. On your mark, get set, go. Remember, it's okay if you don't get finished. And we're doing this to learn how to count by fives so that we'll be able to use it to tell time and to count money. And it will actually also learn our multiplication facts too for 5. So keep going. When you're done, we're going to count out loud. Oh, I definitely did not get done there. So keep going all the way up to 100. Nice job, everybody. You're doing so good. Here we go. Let's count fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do that one more time, but I'm not going to point to the numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is write out our twos. So let's write that out together. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to copy that again. On your mark, get set, go. I want you to copy it because we are trying to get your hand, remember how to write it, and your brain to remember how to count it. And it's okay that we're still copying it because we are still learning it. Because this is going to help us with our multiplication. Keep going. Nice job. Go ahead and finish if you need to. We're going to count out loud by twos all the way up to 24 together. You should count it out loud because we're training your brain. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's do that one more time, but I'm not going to point to the numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job going through your board. Next thing I'm going to have you do is count backwards from 20 because this is helping us with our subtraction. On your mark, get set, go. All the way to 0. Nice job. If you're not finished, that's okay. Go ahead and finish it up. The reason why we use time is because we're trying to get our brain to be able to do it very quickly. Here we go. Count backwards with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Now let's do that one more time. Don't forget, you should be saying these out loud. Here we go. Let's count backwards one more time. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Go and clear your board. All right. Today we're going to do our two-digit numbers a little differently. I'm going to write them. I'd like you to copy them down. Then we're going to practice saying them, and then you're going to write them in picture form and expanded form. Here we go. Can you read this number? 29. Nice job. Can you read this number? 92. If you look here, this has a 2 and a 9, and this has a 9 and a 2. They have the same numbers, but they're in different orders, so we read them differently. Make sure that when you write numbers, you're writing them in the correct order. So 29, 92, what's this last one? 68. Nice job. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go ahead and draw your picture form and write it in expanded form. On your mark, get set, go. You have about 10 seconds. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do that together. We have 2 10s and 29 and 9 ones. And we're going to write it in expanded form. 20 plus 9. Nice job. On this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s and 2 ones. We say 92. Nice job. On this one we have 6 10s and 8 ones. We say 68. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. Now the last time we were together, we were practicing comparing numbers. Okay? Remember, we had greater than, less than, or equal to. I'd like you to write down these two numbers. Okay? And let's compare them. This is 29 and this is 34. If you have a 2-digit number, you always want to underline the first digit. In 34, it would be 3. You're going to look at the tens place first. Okay? Which one is bigger, 3 or 2? 3 is bigger, so this is what you would write, and we would read this. 29 is less than 34. Nice job. Sometimes when you compare numbers, that might not work. So let's take a look at this one. We're going to underline our first numbers. They're both 2s. Some people might say equal to, because they're both 20s, but that's not correct. The first two numbers are the same. You want to look at the next number. Which one's bigger, 9 or 3? 9 is bigger, so it would go this way. And we would say 29 is greater than 23. Okay? Go ahead and clear your board. I'm going to write 2 comparisons on the board, and I would like you to go ahead and compare them. And do that now. Tell me if they're greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, let's begin. Let's underline our tens place value. Those two are equal to each other because they're both 3s. So we're going to look at the ones place value then. 8 is bigger than 6. So we're going to draw our symbol this way and say 38 is greater than 36. Nice job. Let's look at this next one. We have 38 and 54. We're going to underline the 3 and 38, the 5 and 54. Which one's bigger? The 5. So we will draw the symbol this way. And we would say 38 is less than 54. Nice job, everybody. All right. The next thing we're going to do is do our next number. I'm going to write down 3 numbers. Go ahead and copy these. Can you read this number? 43. Nice job. What number comes after 43? 43, 44. Nice job. Say this number. 68. Nice job. What number comes after 68? We say 68, 69. Nice job. What's this number? Excellent. 89. What number comes after 89? 89, 90. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your board. We're now going to work on our 3-digit numbers. I'm going to say a 3-digit number. I would like you to write it in standard form and expanded form. 173. 173. 173. We're going to write all the numbers we say. We say 100. We say 70. We say 3. 173. Nice job. Here's your next one. 158. 158. 158. Go ahead and write it in expanded form. 100 plus 50 plus 8. 158. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your board. The next thing we're going to do is write all our numbers with the touch points on them. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Now write your numbers and then put the touch points on them. Oh, I was almost done. All right, check your work. How'd you do? All right, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to copy it again. On your mark, get set, go. We're doing this to train our brain so we know how to add and subtract. And subtracting is all we have left for today. Keep going. Oh, I almost got done again in time. That's all right. Okay, so now that we've been working on that, you should be practicing using these points when you add and subtract today. Go ahead and clear your board. I'm going to write up 3 addition problems. I'd like you to go ahead and copy them down. And then I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and add them. Okay, we've got 49 plus 83, 56 plus 27, and 67 plus 47. I'm going to give you 30 seconds now to go ahead and add those. On your mark, get set, go. You have about 15 seconds. Nice job. All right, let's do those together. If you're not finished, that's okay. You can do it along with me. If you are, just check your answer. 9, 10, 11, 12. That is a 2-digit number. So I'm going to put my 2 down here. I'm going to regroup and carry the 1 over here. My biggest number here, 1, 4, or 8. 8 is my biggest number. I'm going to touch it, say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can you read my answer? 132. 132. Nice job. Let's do the next one. My biggest number is 6 or 7. 7 is my biggest number. Even though it's on the bottom, we don't care about big bottom borrow for adding, okay? So here it's just going to be circle the big number and count on the other number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I put my 3 down here. I'm going to regroup and carry my 1 over here. We're regrouping. We're going to circle my 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you read that number? 83. Nice job. On this one, we have a 7 and a 7. 7 equals 7. So we don't have a big number, so we just circle the 1 on top just to get into the habit. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This 4 goes here, and we're going to regroup and carry the 1. I'm going to circle my 6 because 6 is greater than 4. And say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can you read my answer? 114. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing I'm going to do is give you 4 subtraction problems. And I'd like you to copy them down and then go ahead and practice subtracting. You may or may not have to borrow. So it's up to you to figure that out. Okay? All right. We've got 48 minus 16, 80 minus 14, 69 minus 38. Make sure you have those copied down, and I'll give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set. Nice job. All right, let's do this together. We're going to circle our 8. We're going to say 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We did not have to borrow because the big number was on top. We're going to circle the 3, 4, 3. Our answer is 32. 32 is less than 48. So when we compare those, 32 and 48, we're going to underline the 4, underline the 3. 4 is bigger than 3. So 32 is less than 48. That's a good answer then. Over here, we're going to circle the big number. Which one's bigger? We have 0 and we have 4. If we're to compare those, we're going to say 4 is bigger. So we're going to say 0 is less than 4. So we would circle the 4. Big bottom borrow. The big number's on the bottom, so we have to borrow. Just because this is a 0 doesn't mean that the steps change. We're still going to put a 1 there, so it will make it a 10. We're going to cross off the 8 to make that a 7. Nice job, everybody. So now we're going to do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4 is 6. We're going to circle our big number, 7, 6. Our answer is 66. If we were to compare 66 to 80, we're going to underline our 10s because they both have 2 digits. 6 and 8. 8 is bigger, so 66 is less than 80. Nice job. Over here, we're going to circle the 9 because 9 is greater than 8. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Circle our big number 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have 31 and 69. If we were to underline our first digit, which one's bigger, 3 or 6? 6 is bigger, so 31 is less than 69. Nice job. When you did your work, this is the only work you had to do on your paper. All this extra stuff is just showing what I'm saying. So if you didn't write all that down, that's okay. It's more showing that as a visual for your eyes to see as your ears hear what I'm saying. Thank you so much for all of your attention today. You guys have a good day. Don't forget that there is extra work available, and I will see you next time. Thank you.